Meaning of fatalistic.
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 Fatalistic. The term fatalistic refers to the belief that events are predetermined and cannot be altered, leading to a resigned acceptance of whatever may happen. Fatalistic individuals believe that their actions have little to no impact on the course of events, and that their fate is ultimately out of their control. This worldview can lead to passivity and a lack of motivation to take action in the face of adversity. In short, fatalism can result in a feeling of helplessness and resignation towards life's challenges, leading to a reduced sense of agency and control.